I reached out on an online inquiry form for Casella Waste Systems months ago, just saying, hey, I have a little boy whose birthday is coming up. He adores you guys. Can you just drive by and give us like a beep? He would be so happy.
I said, well, how about if we stop? We'll let the kids take a look at the truck and, you know, maybe we can grab them a little present or something. She was over the moon. She started crying. She's the sweetest woman.
Oh my gosh, I have no words. I'm speechless.
That was a shock to me. I got a call from Ames, told me that they wanted us to show up for the birthday party. Ames told me that they actually play games as if they're me and Ventura. Like, the little boy will be me and then the mom will be Ventura, which is pretty cool, you know?
So we picked him up a few things and we're gonna stop by and give him his gifts and let the kids, so we've got them little vests and stuff.
It's gonna be awesome. I grew up and I remember my grandfather having trash trucks, so I could only imagine if I was 3 and you know, a Ninja Turtle will pull up at my party. We're gonna make his day today and hopefully he keeps a smile on his face for the rest of the year.
It's pretty cool, honestly. I mean, every day you come in, you don't really expect it, you know, that you're like making people's day, but you see the little boy out there, you honk the horn, he's smiling, jumping up down happy. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's all gonna be a surprise. I can't wait to see him.
He has come to know these trucks by heart, and he knows what everything does. He can tell you what the packer blade is and the hopper, and but more so than the trucks, you know, I think the love just stems for these guys and how special they make this whole experience for them. Rain, shine, they show up with a smile, a wave, a beep, and it's just a testament to how special this whole organization is and this whole company is. River has mastered the beeping. We have some Casella cookies, we have a Casella piñata, we have a trash truck shaped cake inside.
Engaging in the community like Ventura and Tashawn did, you know, you make an impact and people see that and they want to be a part of that.
It's important because you build trust. You build like a partnership with the community to give back. The people around them will remember what Casella did, and they've taken time out of their busy schedules, come in on the weekend to show appreciation to the kid for him appreciating them.
River is thrilled. I just, man, what a dream come true. You guys just went above and beyond. We just love trash trucks and we love Casella. This will be one that he does not ever forget.